I greet you all Mzansi. My name is Pastor Weningi. Today I want to talk about the burning issue, the so-called white genocide. That very few white South African are claiming that it is happening in South Africa. There is no such. I assure you that there is no racial killing in South Africa. Okay, let me explain what is genocide. Genocide is a racial killing. It's a mass killing of a tribe, of a certain tribe by another, or a nation. There is no such in South Africa, I assure you. South Africa is a democratic ruled country. We have a democracy, we have a freedom, we are a multiracial country, we are a rainbow nation. You find black, you find white, you find Indians, and you find Kannats in one township. Or in this country. There is no racial killing, there is no hatred that can lead to a racial killing so far. Okay, you will find black people dating white people, and you also find white people who are dating black people. So that means there is no hatred that can lead to a racial killing so far. Then let's all agree that we find white people getting killed or black people getting killed because of crime rate that is high in South Africa. Both the blacks and white who are dying, they die because of the high number of criminals, the high number of crime rate. Especially those who are rich, they get killed because criminals want their wealth, want their possession, want their monies. So not because of race. Black people, they get killed, white people get killed, Indian people get killed, even colored people get killed. If they've got money, and criminal, they want that money. But we condemn any form of killing. We condemn the criminal activity that's happening in South Africa. We urge our government and we urge all the departments, all the stakeholders, all the law enforcement agencies to strengthen the ties and to fight crime. And